To access the menu, simply tap the touchscreen. The first menu page displays available storage space and lets you adjust key recording settings, including resolution, loop recording length, and audio recording options. On the second page, you can set up safety and parking features, including the compass, G-sensor sensitivity, and language preferences. In screensaver settings, choose from Always On, keeps the screen active at all times. Auto shutdown turns off the screen after 1 minute while recording continues. Screensaver mode turns off the screen after 1 minute, showing only the driving direction and clock while recording continues. The third menu page focuses on display and audio customization. You can adjust volume, screen brightness, and select the default camera view at startup, including front, rear, or a front and rear combination. Additionally, in reverse line settings, you can enable automatic switching to the rear camera when reversing. The fourth page contains rear view, camera, and system settings. You can adjust the rear camera image by flipping it horizontally or vertically. In date and time settings, you can configure GPS auto time sync, manual date and time adjustment, 24-hour clock format, time zone selection, and summer time adjustment. Additionally, you can reset to factory settings and view software version details. That's the end of the guide. Thanks for watching.